So we are live, right? Yes. So hey everyone, a very good evening to all of you. I hope I'm audible, correct? So hi Sairam, hi Hian, how are you? Okay. So if I'm audible enough, could you please type yes in the comments so that we can begin our today's session? Okay. Right. So the last two modules, what have we done? We have covered percentages. That is, we have seen how to find percentages, or like what are the steps to do the percentage or find the percentage of a particular given statement or question or whatever, correct? And in the last session we have seen what is cost price and selling price. Today it's one of my most favorite topic and very interesting one, that is profit and loss. I know if you are from class 7 or 8, you must be aware of what is profit, what is loss, correct? So we will dig in a little deeper and understand it better in today's session. So we all know who is Daniel, correct? We have introduced in the first class. So we will continue the story of Daniel only, and we will see how Daniel has made profit, or has he made loss, or by how much profit has he made, or how much loss he has made, right? So cost price. What is cost price? I'm just revising this, okay? Cost price is the total amount of money that it costs a manufacturer to produce a given product or provide a given service. The price at which the shopkeeper or retailer buys the goods is known as cost price, right? What is the selling price? Selling price is the price at which an article is sold. So, when you're going to a shop, you buy something, right? That is nothing but the selling price of an article. And to sell you something, the shopkeeper also has to buy it from somewhere else. That price is nothing but cost price. So, let us understand this in a pictorial format, okay? So, there are three people involved, or first is retailer and shopkeeper or shopkeeper. One is wholesale dealer or manufacturer, and one is customer. Correct? One is shopkeeper, one is customer, one is wholesale dealer. Now, what will happen among these three like stakeholders or these three people? First, this shopkeeper will buy something from the wholesale dealer or the manufacturer. Correct? This is nothing but cost price of the product. Now, he will sell it to the customers, right? He will sell it to the customers. This is nothing but selling price of the article. Selling price of the article. Cost price of the article. Now, I hope everyone has understood what is cost price and what is selling price, right? No confusion in this. Just imagine, okay? You are the customer, you are buying something from the shop, that is selling price. Shopkeeper buys it from manufacturer, that is nothing but cost price. Now we are done with what is cost price and what is selling price, right? Now we will see about profit and loss from here. So welcome back to Daniel. So welcome to a brand new day, he says. I hope to make a profit today. Okay, so what is Daniel hoping? Daniel is hoping to make a little profit today. So what is profit? First, let us understand what is profit. So can anyone type in the comments what is profit? In a simple terms, in common language, what is profit? So I'm checking your comments. Please do type. Right. Profit is nothing but gain. Correct? That is, you're getting something. You are getting something, or you are gaining something. And what is loss? Loss means you are losing something, right? Whether it can be the amount or whatever it is, we will term it as loss, correct? Loss is nothing but a losing. So in simple terms, very good, Sairam. Money he gains. So Sairam has explained us in the terms of actual commercial mathematics, that is money he gains. Loss is nothing but the amount he loses, correct? Right. Very good. So, correct, Saira. Now we have understood what is profit and loss. We actually see on what parameters this profit and loss is dependent on. Chalo, let's see. So, as soon as the brand new day starts, what is the first thing Daniel does? He goes to a wholesale fruit dealer, correct? Because to make fruit juice, he has to buy fruits. So, he buys fruits. Let us see the cost of fruits. So, watermelon 1 piece costs 60 rupees. Orange 1 kg costs 120 rupees. Banana 1 dozen costs rupees 30. Chiku, or I don't know what you call it is. So, Chiku 1 kg costs rupees 50. Grapes 1 kg costs rupees 80. Mango 1 kg costs rupees 100. Now, Daniel bought 5 watermelons, 2 kgs of oranges, 6 dozens of bananas, 1 kg of chiku and 5 kgs of grapes and 5 kgs of mangoes. Now, we have to determine the sum of all the, or sum of the cost of all the fruits. So, can anyone, do it, do the calculation and tell me? I'll wait for 30 seconds. It's easy calculation. There's not so much of complex calculations involved, so you can try. Right. So let me also start doing it. 5 watermelons, so 5 into 60, rupees 300. Next, 6 dozens of bananas, so 6 into 30, rupees 180. Next, 2 kgs of oranges, so 2 into 120, rupees 240. Chiku 1 kg costs rupees 50. How many kg? 1 kg only. So 50 rupees only. Right? Next, grapes 1 kg costs rupees 80. So he took 5 kgs. So 5 into 80. This is 1 into 50. So it's nothing but 400. Next, how many kgs of mangoes? 5 kgs of mangoes. So 5 into 100. That is rupees 500. So let us add all the costs. So this will be 0. 8, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 9, 16, right? Alright. So it is nothing but rupees 1670. So it costed him rupees 1670 to buy all the fruits. So can we say that the cost price of the fruits is rupees 1670? Of course we can tell, right? This is nothing but cost price of fruits. Right. Next. So yeah, he just want to know what is the cost price of fruits, that is rupees 1670. Next thing, he also wants some groceries, like as I have discussed in the past class, he needs some sugar, jaggery, lemons, all these things are required, and it costed him rupees 500. And the glasses in which he has to serve the juice, all in all it costed him rupees 150. So can you tell me what is the cost of both combined? Very easy addition, 500 plus 150, it is rupees 650, right? Now, rupees 650 for groceries and glasses, and also rupees 1670 for fruits. Now, what will be the total cost price of all the things Daniel bought today? Easy. So, Daniel bought fruits, correct? So, it costed him rupees 1670, and all the groceries and glasses, it costed him 650, correct? Yes or no? Yes. So this is 0, this is 12, 6 plus 6, 12, 13. So rupees 2320 is the cost price. So we can, put CP is nothing but cost price. We need not write cost price every time. You can just denote like CP, okay? Right. So the cost price of that particular day for Daniel, it was rupees 2320 rupees. Chalo, cost price is done. What is the next step? He brought all the things into the shop and started making the juice. different people have different tastes, right? Myself, I like mango juice. You might like orange juice. So there are different fruits. So he starts making different juices. And as you've seen, there are so many customers, right? Anonymous. Hi, Anonymous. You're literally anonymous. So, yes. So there's so many customers and he started making juice. Let us see how many glasses of juice he has sold. Okay, this is a menu board. Looks pretty, right? Looks pretty for a juice shop. So, banana, one glass of banana juice costs rupees 40. Then grape juice costs rupees 35. Mango costs rupees 40. Orange costs rupees 30. Watermelon costs rupees 20. Chiku costs rupees 30. So these are generally the prices of each glass of juice of different fruits, right? You can't put the same cost for mango and chiku because the different prices of mango and chiku. So this is the menu Daniel has decided. So now the fruits are ready, juice is also ready, the cost of juices are also ready. What is the next step? He has to just sell them. So he tried selling them. How many glasses he sold? He sold 60 glasses of juice combined. But can we take the same cost for each glass of juice? Definitely not. Because in the previous slide, we have seen that there are different costs for different juices. So, all 60 glasses cannot be of same cost. So, shall we check how many glasses of each juice has he sold? Let's check. So, these are the prices. Glasses of juice sold today. Now, 10 glasses of watermelon juice. Okay. Next, 3 glasses of chiku juice, 15 glasses of mango juice, 5 glasses of grape juice, 15 glasses of orange juice, 12 glasses of banana shake. Right. So now what do we have to find? We have to find the cost of all the glasses of juice he had sold today. So if 1 glass of watermelon juice is rupees 20, can you tell me what is the cost of 10 glasses of watermelon juice? Come on, type it in the comments. Simple multiplication, right? 1 glass costs rupees 20. 10 glasses costs 10 into 20. Right, very good. It is nothing but 200. Next. 3 glasses of chiku juice. 1 glass of chiku juice costs rupees 30. 3 glasses costs 3 into 30, that is 90. Correct. Next, 15 glasses of mango juice. If 1 mango juice costs rupees 40, 15 glasses cost 15 into 40, that is rupees 600. Next, 5 glasses of grape juice. 1 glass is rupees 35. What will be cost of 5 glasses? Chalo, let us do the multiplication. 35 times 5. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 70. Right? 175. Next, 15 glasses of orange juice. 1 glass costs rupees 30. So 15 glasses costs how much? 450. Next, 12 glasses of banana shake. 1 glass costs rupees 40. 12 glasses costs 12 into 40, that is 480. Right? Very simple calculation, nothing so complex. Right? Now, just add all the costs of all the juices and tell me the answer. So, this is 5. 9 plus 7 is 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 8 is 29. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. So, rupees 1995. So, you all have to give answers in the comments, okay? Right. So, it is rupees 1995. So, what did he do? He has sold the juice. So, to whom has he sold the juice? To the customers. So, what did we study in the first slide of today's session? When something is sold to the customer, it is nothing but selling price. So, we can say that selling price is nothing but rupees 1995. Correct. And what was the cost price? It was 2320. right? So now we have seen what is cost price. We have also found out what was the selling price. Now tell me, just look at the screen and tell me, is cost price more or selling price more? Come on, type it in the comments. I'll check. Okay. What is more? Just look, like very simple, greater than, less than, which you have been studying in from second standard, literally, huh? Chalo, someone should comment, man. This is very easy. Okay. Which is greater? Ha, very good. CP is greater. CP is greater. Okay. Now, let us learn the concept here. When cost price is greater than selling price, it means the shopkeeper had a loss. Okay. When selling price is when cost price is greater than selling price, the shopkeeper makes a loss. Okay. When, I'm repeating again, cost price is greater than selling price, it is a loss. So loss equals to cost price minus selling price. So there is nothing much complex here. Let me break it down for you. He has bought something from manufacturer and sold it to the customer. So that price, what he bought, is more than what he sold. Obviously, it's a loss, correct? That is why when CP is greater than SP, it is a loss, and formula to calculate loss is CP minus SP. Right? Remember it, because at the end, you all should do a problem based on CP, SP, loss and profit. Okay? So be careful, listen, remember the formula, write it somewhere. Okay? Now, but at the start, what did Daniel think? He wanted to make a profit, right? So to make a profit, he changed a few things in the juice bar. Let's see what he has changed. On second day, he increased the price of grape juice to rupees 40 and price of watermelon juice to rupees 30. Well and good, because he wants to make profit. Who is stopping him? If I want more money, I will increase the price. Correct? As a businessman, that's what we are doing. Road to entrepreneurship. We will see what all to do. Cost price is the same as the previous day. So what it was? Cost price was rupees 2320. Now let us find the selling price on the second day. Chalo, let's see. So these are the new prices, okay? The new prices. So let us write new prices. So he sold 15 glasses of watermelon juice, 4 glasses of chiku juice, 10 glasses of mango juice, 12 glasses of grape juice, 15 glasses of orange juice, 12 glasses of banana shake. Chalo, now let's find the selling price of this day. So to know the selling price, what do we have to do? We have to sum up the costs of all the juices, right? So come on, start doing it and let me know in the comments each price. I will wait for 15 seconds, okay? You have to tell me the first one. It's like very easy calculation. Right. Okay. Right. So 1 glass of watermelon costs rupees 30. So it is 15 into 30. So 450. Correct. Very good. Next, 4 glasses of chiku juice. 4 into 30. 4 into 30. That is 120. 10 glasses of mango juice. 10 into 40. 400. 12 glasses of grape juice. 12 into 40. 480. Very good. Very good. 600. Okay, did I do something wrong? Sairam tells it is 600, but I did not get 600 anywhere as of now. Okay. Where is 600? Wait, let me check again. 15 glasses of watermelon juice, right? So Sairam, could you please check? I guess you have done something somewhere, some calculation mistake. Chalo. Done. 15 glasses of orange juice. One orange juice costs rupees 30. 15 will be 15 into 3, 450. 12 glasses of banana shake. One glass of banana shake costs rupees 40. So 12 glasses cost 480. Right? Now, what is the selling price of second day? Come on, find out. Simple addition. I have literally done everything. You have to just add all these prices, right? So let us add it together. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. My favorite kind of calculation is when all things is 0, you can easily put 0. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 5, 20, 20 plus 8 is 28, right? Okay. You give your answer in comments, it's fine, okay? 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 16, 23. 2380 we got. Right. So, Sairam, are you doing? Anonymous has just told hi and Anonymous has left. Okay. So, the selling price for second day, it's nothing but 2380, right? So, selling price for the day we got. What was the cost price? It was same as the previous one, right? That is 2320. How much is it? 2320. So, cost price on the second day was same as the first day. That is rupees 2320. Selling price on the second day was how much? 2380. So, 2380. Now tell me whether the selling price is more or cost price is more. Type it in the comments. Simple, right? I'm explaining the whole concept of commercial mathematics through a story, taking very minute examples, okay? If you wish, after whole commercial mathematics is done, we can solve problems on the same topic. I will come live. We will do problems because commercial mathematics is such, branch of mathematics which is helpful even at the age of 50, 60 because you have to file taxes, correct? And you have to pay interest to some loans. So this is much very important branch of mathematics. So please be present on all days of the session. And after this, we will be doing how to calculate taxes. Okay. Next, I will be talking about loans. And also we will discuss little about GST because that is on almost all of the products. So we will dig it further deeper if you show the interest. Okay. Right, Sairam has told SP. Very good. So, here if you see, unlike the previous case, in this, the selling price is greater than the cost price. When selling price is greater than cost price, can you guess what happens? When selling price is greater than cost price, it's a profit. So, what is the formula to calculate profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Right? So, these are two of the most important formulae to remember, to apply wherever and whenever required. Okay? So, today what have we learned? We have seen obviously cost price and selling price, and there are three stakeholders involved. One is customer, shopkeeper and a wholesale dealer. Then we have seen what is cost price and selling price and on what cases loss happens, on what cases profit happens, right? Now, let us summarize it. Profit describes the financial benefit or you can also tell financial gain when selling price is more than the cost price. So, profit is equal to SP minus CP. Loss happens when cost price is greater than selling price. That is CP is greater than SP. So, loss equals to CP minus SP. Right? Now, we have finished the concept. It is the time to apply the concept. So here is the problem. John has bought a bike for rupees 1,40,970 rupees and sold it to his friend for 1,70,200. Did he make profit or loss, and by how much? So I want you all to tell first whether he has made profit or loss. Read the question, understand it, and tell me whether he had made a profit or loss. Right. John has bought a bike from somewhere. So this will be cost price, and sold it. Sold. That means selling price. So we have decoded from the problem what is selling price and what is cost price. Now let us see if he makes profit or loss. So solution, cost price equals to 1,40,970. Selling price equals to 1,70,200. So when I see here, when I compare SP and CP, I obviously will find that SP is greater than CP. Very good, Sairam. Keep it up. When SP is greater than CP, that is when selling price is greater than cost price, we make a profit. And what is the formula to calculate profit? Profit equals to SP minus CP. Come on, do the calculation and type the answer in the comments. And whoever watches the video, do this problem and type the answer in the comments. Okay? Right. So let us do it. 1,70,200 minus 1,40,970. 0, 1. This is 10. This is 3. This is 11. Right? So how much did you get? No one has given me the answer yet. Right. Okay. So I have done it for you already. So if you're doing it, please do cross check your answer. Okay. So let me wait for the students to give answer. Okay. Right. Okay then. So this is what the answer is. So always remember, we have also summarized at the end, when CP is greater than SP, it's a loss. When SP is greater than CP, it's a profit. So done. So tomorrow's session, we will be learning profit percent and loss percent. Again, this is also important because no one will tell that I got 29,230 rupees profit. They'll be telling I got 12% profit. How do you calculate? On what will you calculate percent? Let us see in tomorrow's session with the same case of Daniel. Let's hope Daniel makes profit and calculates his profit percent more than loss, right? So bye everyone. Right. So 3 sessions are done. After these 4, on the last session, I'll tell you what other sessions we are going to discuss under the umbrella name Road to Entrepreneurship. Okay? Chalo then. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.